this is Mary. I would like to show you a Northwood 2022 and how much room there is in the pass-through storage. So if you have kids that want to sleep in a tent outside and it gets a little rainy, you could just bring them inside. Hi, this is Mary. Let's look at this 32.5M. It's a Northwood, it's 2022. Now that you've seen the huge pass-through storage, let's look inside. As you can see, the floor plan is really spacious. You do have this island for extra counter, and look at the kitchen, the cabinets, all the things that you need. Residential size refrigerator, freezer up top. You've got a really big oven. Lots of seating for your guests and just to lounge around. You do have a dinette right here, which is great, and you have a fireplace, which actually is putting out a lot of heat right now, so it's super cozy in here. This is a great floor plan. You could have some really great adventures in here because there's opposing slides. You're going to have a lot of space in here. It doesn't make it feel closed in or anything. You just feel like you're in a house. So let's look upstairs. So this is a bathroom that has a little bit more space, I would say, in the counter space here. You do have a really nice cabinet, medicine cabinet, and then a sitting area in the shower. So this has a lot of room in here. Got everything that you need, more cabinet space over here, and then let's look at the bedroom. So I love this tinted glass. It's frosted on this side, so it still gives you privacy, but it's kind of a little classy. King size bed, and there's a ton of storage in the closet. So it goes very deep back in here. Really nice unit. I just love that Northwood puts so many extra features in, and it's very usable. So this is a big dresser space here for all your gear. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. My name is Mary. Please give me a call, 406-850-4590, and I would love to help you go on an adventure.